Have you ever tried a bread bow knife or a sourdough knife? Well, this one is by Well, and these are cool. And this one here, great, great quality. Super impressed with this. So as you see here, we've got this sheath on here that is to keep your blade covered. And then this can also be switched for right or left-handed. Right now it's set up for right, but all you're going to do is you're just going to undo these screws. You flip the blade over, and then you can use it for left hand. So really great feature on this, but what do you want to see how it actually works? So let me give you a close-up look. All right, so let's go ahead here and give you the demo. This is what the blade looks like. I mean, just slices through. So nice. Now let's just look at that. Look at that. So highly recommend these bread bow knives. This one by Y'all Well is just great. Really, really love it. Highly recommend.